What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my studio. I'm Joseph Finchum, you're you, and today we are going to look at the submissions for the November and January Lachri Artists Group monthly art challenges. So first, let's take a look at the November challenge, which was annual autumn art, and I apologize for this being so late. December was a bit of a nightmare for me, but I digress. And we'll take a look at them. Annual autumn art was anything that was autumn related or used the colors that you generally see with autumn. And we got a lot of submissions and some really good ones and some really well crafted pieces of art. So let's check them out. Wow, and I mean it. Wow. You guys are producing some amazing artwork for these challenges, and I'm really happy that you those of you who submitted did submit your artwork. It was a bit of a challenge to do, and I understand that, and I promised you guys I would take it easy on you in December, and I didn't even do December. So, let's move on to January, where I took it easy on you. In January, we were looking back at the art from last year in order to look forward to the art from this year. And I wanted you to do something simple, which was make a collage that showed the artwork you did in 2021. So let's take a look at those. Well, it appears that some of you were extremely busy in 2021. This wasn't meant to be a hard challenge, so I hope you all felt it was easy enough to get by. And I mean, making a simple collage is not the hardest thing, so thank you all for submitting your artwork. There were some amazing pieces done in the last year, and I congratulate you all for doing them. I do these challenges every month, and I hope that you guys will go over to the Lachri Artists Group on either MeWe or on Facebook and check out the one for this month or next month, and maybe you might want to participate in a future one. I can only hope. But thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.